you from the E-Force. You're going to talk about modern technology in the field of constructions. He's coming from Singapore. The time allowed for him is 20 minutes. If you need any further questions, you can ask him after he finishes talk. You're welcome. Please start.
Testing. It's working. Assalamualaikum. Good evening, everybody. Everybody okay after the lunch? Yeah. Okay. Sorry, this is Singapore time, so it's 11 p.m. in Singapore. Okay, I have 20 minutes, and I hope within these 20 minutes I will be able to introduce you some of the emerging technologies in the construction industry. Okay, likewise, just our company is basically the head office is in Singapore, and the technical center in Vietnam, our manufacturing center is in China, and our precast plant is in Malaysia. And we have offices in the Middle East, in the Dubai, Egypt, we are in Alexandria. So Saudi, we are in Riyadh, and Bahrain. Okay, before I start on the construction industry, I just want to elaborate a bit on other industries, like, for example, what you can see here is for the audio-visual, they started with black and white TV. I'm not very sure. I think quite a few of you have started with the black and white TV, especially all the white hair. But now they have evolved, right? You can see, you know, even they are having flexible LED TV. You know, you can fold, you have virtual reality, putting the headset on the ear. Okay, even in the communication, okay, we are talking about Motorola started with a big phone, heavy, right? And now the iPhone came out, even with the smaller, with the iWatch. And the latest one that just came is basically what they call it is sorry, I'm not selling all these things, but I just want to introduce so that you have an idea of what other industries have evolved. Right? Computer, okay, now you have the PC stick, very small. It's as powerful as the computer we have last time. You have notebooks, iPad, and so on. Okay, let's go back to our construction industry. How have we evolved? Okay, that's myself with my son. Okay, you see behind the pyramid. Okay, even during the time, you know, using stone, and you know, and they built the pyramid, right? And of course, they, you know, then they evolved into the mud house, having brick, having huts, and now, as we all know, most of it we are using concrete, you know, and they have developed the concrete technology. Our friend here from Delta, you know, getting lightweight, concrete. Okay, for our group, we have basically not some of the technologies. We have done some R&D and developed it. Okay, we have the post-tension system. We have the fiberglass formwork system. Outside, we have displayed some sample. We have, of course, a precast concrete slab wall, modular construction. It's like a Lego system, but this one is for the adults to play, not the children to play. So, but again, it's those emerging technologies. And the last one is the bubble deck integrated system, which I will talk a bit more later. Okay, for the post-tension system, we have done various tests, and we have received the approval from the PTI, Post-Tension Institute, USA. Our manufacturing plant is in China, right? So if you ask why the E, E-force, E-form, and E-modular, why all the E? The idea came from iPhone, iPad, iWatch. So the I, you use the E. So basically, it's similar whereby Apple developed new technology. We were thinking to do similar, right? And it just fall into a nice place. Egypt is also E. These are those testing facilities we have to make sure the quality control. Okay, these are the site photos using the post-tension system. But you should ask yourself is, what is so good about this technology, right? I mean, any technology, like for example, iPhone, from a big phone become a small phone and getting smaller and smaller, right? So it becomes more convenient. Similarly, for post-tensioning, it allows us to, you just look at on the left, on your left side, this is a normal conventional RC structure, right? If you have a big span, we usually will go for the waffle slab, but for post-tensioning, even for 12, 13, 14 meter span, we can just go for a flat slab. This means just a normal drop panel at the column. But because of this, you look at the bottom corner, you see the amount of reinforcement that you have in the normal RC. And for the post-tensioning, it's very neat, very clean. Right? So because of this, you can have a faster construction cycle. Right? If you take a 14 days or 21 days in a RC, you can probably cut it down by 30–40% compared to the RC. Because of the time, because it's faster, because you use less reinforcement, less concrete, it makes it more economical. Especially for the client, it's all about money. Right? The indirect benefit, of course, you have the higher headroom. Right? You have longer column span that you can use. Right. So in terms of rentable area, in terms of effective usage, is better using a post-tension structure. Of course, technical wise, I think this afternoon they were talking about the post-tension design, bonded and unbonded. Okay, technically speaking, you have better durability using a post-tension system. Okay, we go to the next. Okay, this is some of the project reference. That's the second biggest mosque in the UAE. It's in Fujairah. It make the use of the post-tension technology. We have this is one of the bigger shopping malls in Singapore. You have shopping mall, you have industrial park, you have even for apartments, the span is 3 to 4 meter, but still he can use force tension design. Just flat plate without any beams, without any column. Still need the column, without any drop panel. Right? This is a standard high-rise office building. Okay, the other area we have tried, we developed is on the formwork system. This is some of the testing that we have carried out in Singapore. The manufacturing is also in China, right? We usually, for our client, we do the shop drawing, we do all the modeling, the formwork design, all in-house, and in order to help them. Okay, as you can see the site photos, this system can be used for shear wall, core wall, columns, slabs, almost any of the members of the building, it can be used. Okay, then again we have to ask ourselves, what is the advantage of using such a system? If you look on the left side again, that's the